But let's take to Parliament and talk about health, because Member of Parliament for Tamale North has expressed fear over the possible closure of schools in his constituency following the outbreak of measles. The MP says schools in his constituency are likely to be closed down as a result of the shortage of vaccines in parts of the country. The Minister of Health, Kwekwajaman Menu, failed to honor an invitation by the Health Committee of Parliament to answer questions about the disturbing trend on Tuesday. Speaking to Joy News after making a statement on the floor, Alhassan Soini described the situation as regrettable.
We are having to deal with an outbreak of a disease, not isolated cases of a disease that we should have, completely eradicated in 2020. We are in 2023 and we are dealing with an outbreak, especially in the midst of the concerns that we do not have essential vaccines to deal with it. We as a country have developed, a robust system of immunization, and we have become, as a case study for our peers in the sub-region when it comes to deployment of immunization. So it is so regrettable that we have all these things in place, but for lack of resources, I believe, or proper planning, we do not have the essential vaccines, and we are, seeing a retrogression in the gains that we have made over the years as far as the eradication of measles is concerned. A couple of months ago, the Tamale Central Hospital had to shut down the pediatric unit because of the outbreak of measles. And if care is not taken and this addressed aggressively, we may see the shutting down of schools, very soon, because these children do not even know how to observe some of the hygienic, things that they are supposed to observe in order to limit the, spread of measles. You are talking about runny nose, and it is usually prevalent, with children between the ages of 4 and 14. So they don't even know how to control runny nose and all of that. So if they go to school and they have these symptoms and they have these conditions, you can just imagine how many kids are at risk.
Parliament has summoned the minister to appear before the House to brief MPs on the outbreak and the reported shortage of vaccines. Alhassan Soini says it's a step in the right direction.
That colleagues, including Speaker, have agreed with my call that the minister must appear before the House to let us know where we are at as far as, government's efforts, when it comes to dealing with this outbreak is concerned. It is important that as stakeholders, we know where we are and what is expected of all of us, including parents and, health practitioners and all those in that chain, so that we can nib it in the bud. This is a disease that we're supposed to have eradicated in 2020. And so it is unacceptable that we are dealing with an outbreak in 2023.